Hey team, it's kind of late. It's about 11 p.m. on the 21st of October, and I just wanted to do a quick video on Apple, just do a little follow up. We're just getting a lot of people out there talking about selling off, and we can talk about the stimulus. We know what it's doing to the market. We know it's bringing volatility. But guys, we've consolidated. We failed. We consolidated. We don't need to consolidate anymore in this 112.60 lower range. Unless the market sells off, then obviously, yeah, Apple will tank. But look, we have this upwards direction. We talked about how it flattened, and now we have the 20-day average going up. And look at each day. We have this gravestone doji. It just happens to be green. But look at the low. The low today was 116.45. Where's the 20-day moving average today? It's right all over here. 116.43. Then we had yesterday. The low of yesterday was 115.63. Where is the basis of that? If you look on the right, while I have this hovered over, it's 115.94. Same thing here. Massive red candle, right? 2 days ago. What was the low? 115.66. What's the 20-day moving average, which is the basis point, the middle point of the Bollinger Band? 115.66. So as long as we're trading in within this middle to upper range and we have this direction, and in theory we're still a bullish stock. Once we trade below it and we close below it and we're trading below this 20-day average, then we can start saying like, yeah, we're getting the bears. So I get it. There's a sell-off. This was a pump and dump from the iPhone event, but we're still holding pretty strong on this upwards momentum. And so we have had this sell off, we've had this reduction in price, but we've already had this massive consolidation. So with that said, I expect that we will get a bounce. We may go sideways, but I still expect that we're going to get bounce. I've just heard people say things like, we're going to go under 100 and it's going to fail and yada yada. So I like to keep things super simple. Okay, so I expect a bounce, and we'll get the channel to expand and get back on this upper band like we were here, right? We were just forming on the upper band and then it failed. So now we're back sort of in this channel. All right, guys, good luck. I'll talk to you soon.